Your attorney did a lousy job on your case. He lost your trial. Can you now go into the attorney and negotiate a lower fee for his legal services? You want to know the answer? Come join me for a moment as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Jerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law in the state of New York. Today I'm coming to you from beautiful, sunny Sanibel Island, Florida, and I have a few moments to share this great information with you. So now you've gone through the entire case, your case went to trial, and the attorney lost your case. And you are furious, you are outraged. And now, after the case is over, you go to the attorney and you demand that he lower his fee, that he reduce his fee, because he lost your case. And now you're outraged that you're going to have to pay him money for his legal services. Well, I have something to share with you. You don't have to negotiate the fee. You don't have to do anything. In fact, you don't have to pay the attorney a dime for anything he did during the course of your litigation. You want to know why not? Because in New York, an attorney in an accident case or in a medical malpractice case or in a wrongful death case only gets paid if he gets you a result. Could you imagine that? Could you imagine any other service provider who turns around and says, listen, you don't have to pay me a dime only if I get you a result 2 or 3 years later? There is no other service provider, there's no other professional service that turns around and says, listen, you want to go ahead and hire me? No problem. I'll lay out all my own money. I'll lay out everything I need to prosecute your case. It could be thousands or even hundreds of thousands of dollars. I will spend hours and hundreds of hours prosecuting your case, and you will only pay me if I get you a successful result. That is the only time that you, as an injured victim, have to pay the attorney. Okay, so you've lost your trial. You did not get a good result. In fact, you got no result. You got no money. You got no compensation for the injuries you suffered because of somebody else's carelessness. So now, what do you owe the attorney? Legally, you owe him absolutely nothing. There's nothing to negotiate. According to your retainer agreement, it will say that if the attorney is not successful, you owe him absolutely zero. That's known as a contingency fee. It means that the attorney handles your case, and only if they are successful and get you a result will they receive a percentage of whatever it is that you are able to recover. So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you just to give you a different perspective of what goes on in an accident case, in a medical malpractice case, and even in a wrongful death case in the state of New York. You know, I realize you're watching this because you've got questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if you're contemplating bringing a lawsuit for your matter and you've got legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, this is something I do every single day, and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Jerry, G-E-R-R-Y, @oginski-law.com. Well, that's it for today's quick video. I'm Jerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.